6 part of the question. I already did the A part and B part in my previous videos. In this video I'm gonna just do the C part of this question. In the C part, the question is asking to repeat part B for VCM is equal to 0.4 voltage. In the B part, we did this one with 0 voltage, and here we have 0.4. Now let's see how to do that. So the required things are, we have to find out the VS, that is V source right here, and then we had to find out the ID1, that is the current flow through the first one, and then we had to find out the ID2, the current flow through the second one, and then we had to find out the VD1, that's the drain voltage right here after the resistor, and then VD2, that the drain voltage in the second one. Okay, now let's go ahead and find one by one. C part, first we are going to do the VS, and VS equation is already given, that is VCM minus VGS. If you don't have this equation, you can literally find it by looking at this. Here you see at gate we have VCM, that is the common mode voltage, and gate to source voltage comes after that. So this one minus this one should be the voltage right here. Okay, so we can create equation by analyzing that, but the equation is already there, so I just plug that one, VCM minus VGS, and then VCM is provided to us, that is 0.4, and VGS I did it in the A part of the question. I found out that one to be 0.6, so we have to just plug that one over here, 0.6, and that's gonna give us negative 0.2, and that is our VS. And the next one we are asked to find out is ID1. ID1 is the drain current through the first one. ID1 is basically whatever the current passing through this, and here they already express current as I divided by 2, and I is provided in the question, that is 0.16. So whatever that one divided by 2 is the ID1. So we can say ID1 is equal to I divided by 2. Therefore I is 0.16 milliampere divided by 2, that is 0.08 milliampere. And ID2 is easy, like you can find the ID2, like there are various ways you can find it. One of the things is you look at the width length ratio, you see 1 and 2, width length ratio for both of them is equal. Width length for the width over length is 10 for this one and this one. So if these two are equal, these two are matched, it means whatever the current is equal to this one, because this is a current mirror. And another way is you can apply this one as well. This also mentions I over 2 here, so you can plug that one and find it. So anyway, you will know that this and this are equal, so you can say ID1 is equal to ID2. Therefore ID2 also equal to 0.08 milliampere. Okay, and that is ID1 and ID2, and then they ask us to find out the VD1. VD1 is the voltage after the resistor, and there are various ways you can find the VD1. The equation is already provided to you, but if the equation is not provided, then you can create the equation by analyzing the current. Like let's call this current ID, the current passing through that is ID. That current should be equal to this voltage minus this voltage divided by the resistor in between. So VDD minus this voltage, that is VD1, divided by the resistor in between, that is RD. So VDD minus VD1 divided by RD should be equal to the current, and the current is I divided by 2. And then you rearrange this one in terms of VD1 and you will get this one back. Okay, but the equation is already there, so I just plug that one and find the final answer. VDD minus half times, no, not half, I divided by 2, because that's the current. I divided by 2 times the resistance. And VDD is provided in the question, that is 1 voltage. So plug that one in here. I divided by 2, that is the 0.08 milliampere, 0.08 milli. And then RD resistance is also provided, that is 5 kilo ohms, so put 5k right here, and that gives us the VD1. And if you solve it, you will get VD1 to be 0.6 voltage. And the next one is VD2, and if you look at VD1 and VD2, it's going to be exactly the same thing, because VDD is same value, RD is same value, and the current also is same value. So VD1 must be equal to VD2. Therefore, we can say VD1 is equal to VD2. Therefore, VD2 also equal to 0.6 voltage. And that's it for the part C. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I will do the next part in my upcoming videos. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.